deserves to be in a museum. All this coloring is making me hungry, though. I should check the refrigerator to see if something in there. Whew, boy, am I hungry. I hope there's something in the refrigerator I can eat. Whew, what can I eat? No Hot Pockets, I don't like that. Butter pecan ice cream? Nah. Ooh, cheesecake, I haven't had that in a while. I hope it doesn't belong to anybody. Who cares? Ooh, Sara Lee cheesecake.
Lightyear!
What's up, guys?
A farmer from Joad just called in a 911. You stop by and check it out. Okay, Buzz, let's run through some of the basics. You start with a standard issue laser. Any add-ons are going to cost you some Galactic Alliance credits, or GACs for short. Now, Buzz, your mission in each level is to arrest the bad guy. You can't beat the criminals early. You can only make an arrest at their getaway spot. Buzz, along the way, save as many of the LGMs as you can. Now, Buzz, your mission in each level is to arrest the bad guy. Simple enough, right? Wrong! You can't arrest the bad guys until you reach their getaway spot. Track them to the getaway spot and stop them. If the bad guys get to their getaway spot before you, you only have 15 seconds to catch up with them. Otherwise, you lose, Ranger. If you get to the getaway spot before the criminals, Mirror will be there to reward your efforts.
Holy crap! Squidward! Baby, 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 baby. Squidward, this guy had a baby.
Somebody get Latios and Latiez.
Wait a minute. Wait a frickin' minute. Where's the rest of that donut? Did you eat all of it?
I'm just a kid.
Ow. Smell weather. What is your problem? Look, I'm sorry I can't help you guys out. Really, I am. But you didn't have to go and pull a stunt like that. Well, if the boot fits. What did you say, what? What did you just say? I know you didn't just say that. Say it to my face. If the boot fits.
Did you just check a mark on this video? And the not finished playing? Oop, sorry, I was lazy. Well, don't be a lazy again. Yes, sir. What else do you got? Well, I have Patrick laughing at someone that he got squished by a giraffe. Okay, play it now.
Betty, I am not your girlfriend!
That guy got hit in the head with a giraffe!
Now that's what I call...
Panasonic.
It tastes like rubber.
Now that's what I call a party. Chowder, put on the party pizzazz.